Let's talk about the first topic for our training, which is the Amazon text extract. From the name itself, we can understand that it is going to extract text. Okay, so from where exactly it can extract text is you can have images where we have text within the image, or you can have PDF files. So you can use them to extract text out of it. So it's going to be a very simple service, and from the exam perspective, all you need to know is just what is the service meant for and very few basic knowledge about it, some of the configurations and all. So for the extract, you will be having two modes. One is the synchronous and another one is the asynchronous. Synchronous means, let's say a API is calling the text extract, so it will wait for its response. Once the response is there, it the API will be back to from where it was called from, and the response will be there. Asynchronous is like API will be called, and then it will just pass on the input, and then the API will return back. Okay, once the whole conversion extraction is done, then the output will be stored in wherever output was there in the API, and from there we can see the output. Okay, so synchronous one is for single document. You can upload one single document and it will extract. And asynchronous one is for bulk amount of documents, like multiple documents you can handle in one go. Now the supported formats are the image formats, the JPEG and PNG, and also PDF for documents. Okay. Let's see about it. Okay. So let's try it. So here you can see we have these many options in here, like analyze document, analyze expense, and everything. So what we need to try is uploading a document and then see how the output is there. So you can see here it's a sample document is uploaded, and the output you can see here. We can see other samples as well. Like see this one. This is a health insurance card. So the document and then the raw text you can see from here. Every text which is present in here is shown up here. Okay. So it's pretty simple. These things we used to use from a long time, right? Like extracting text from images. So that's the thing it does. Now the functionalities of it is it can detect table and form. Okay. So we'll see through it. And then it has some of the specialized APIs like for analyzing document, any kind of document, or for a specific kind of document like expense, we have a specific API. Similarly, for ID, we have a analyze ID API. Okay. So expenses like invoices, receipts, kind of things you can upload and it will extract it in a more relevant format than because it's expense, so it will understand that this is a expense thing, right? So the output will be more relevant in terms of the expenses. Similarly, for IDs like passport, driving license, or any other ID, you can provide it and it will extract the output from it. Now let's see through this. First is the layout detection and form and tables. Okay, so layout, if you can see here, you can see like these are the title, and then there is a text. There are other. This is a footer, so it can detect in the whole document what all parts are there in the document. Like here is the header, here is the footer, and other parts of it. Okay. Other than that, it can detect forms. Forms basically is like key value pairs it will detect. So it will try to understand like this is the key and this is the value. These kind of pairs it will try to find it out. So these things are going to be helpful when we are going to use this document, right? If we upload a document and we are trying to see like what was the member ID in that document. So it can extract that directly. It doesn't just do the raw text, not only the text, but it's a smart so that it can extract these kind of informations as well. So it's easier for us to use. Also, it can detect tables from here. So this it identifies as a table. So you can see like both the columns are there. It not might be 100% correct every time, but it tries to do the things in its own way. If you see other example, I think you'll see a better example of table there. Now this one, I think, yeah, the table it detects is this one. This one is a table. So it's smart in its own way. Okay. It can detect the text, obviously, then it can detect the layout. It can detect the forms. Forms is basically key value pair. So this key value pair term might come in the exam as well. So like a document is there and someone wants to extract the key value pairs from it. So which AWS service we should be using. So we know now like AWS Textract can be used for these things. And also like for the asynchronous, you can see here, this one is there, bulk document uploaded. So using this one, you can set input and output paths, and then you can upload a multiple documents in one go. And these all, which you can see here, are the APIs. These four APIs are here, which you can use. So that's all you need to know about the text